Hi, this is Liz, and I made this video for anyone who might be traveling to Lake Como in the fall. This was last fall in November, at the end of November. We stayed in Varenna for 11 days in a beautiful apartment right next to these ferry docks. And on this day, we decided that we were going to take the ferry with our girls and go visit Bellagio, which is right across the way. We can see it from Varenna. I think the ferry ride was just about 12 minutes or so. And it was a really beautiful arrival in Bellagio on this beautiful sunny day with these white-capped mountaintops. There are many different types of ferries on the lake. We just chose whichever one was leaving at the time that we were looking for. It was warm enough to just put a sweater or a jacket on and a scarf, and it was actually really beautiful to be in this open type of ferry. But there were closed-in ones, there were fast ferries, there were car ferries. The possibilities are endless.
Yesterday was Thanksgiving.
Today's a better Thanksgiving.
We decided to spend our American Thanksgiving in Italy last year on Lake Como, and we absolutely loved it. We would not have changed a thing. It was perfect. No turkey, but it was fine. As my husband and I walked up and down the path to walk off that really wonderful lunch, we stumbled upon this really nice JFK Memorial. John F. Kennedy visited Bellagio in 1963 in the summer, right before his death in that same year, later on that year. So I had to look up this information because I wasn't quite sure why they had a JFK Memorial here, but it was a really lovely story. He visited here and he was really impressed by the lake, and he said it was the most beautiful lake in the world. So they really loved JFK, and they made this memorial in his memory.
How many pictures is this?
Cost to make this.
Look at this.
See the mountains in the back?
Yeah.
The sunlight.
It's so quiet. Most of the shops are closed this time of year, but it's okay. We weren't really there to do any shopping. Window shopping was just fine. As you can see for yourself, Bellagio is beautiful and the whole lake is absolutely beautiful. So it's a no-brainer. This place is great, it's safe, it's stunning, and in November it's very peaceful. There's very few tourists there. There are a lot of locals, and we went into this church to say a little prayer and be grateful for everything that we have, and especially for going on this really wonderful trip. And then we walked down to the docks to catch the next ferry. We met up with our girls, had a little snack, and we hit the road. Or should I say, we hit the ferry. Or the lake.